Pride Mobility embraces an exciting future of lightweight foldable mobility solutions, and that's what we have right here in the GoGo Super Portable. This scooter is designed for maximum travel friendliness, and we'll show you why its name fits the bill in this edition of Mastering Mobility. The GoGo Super Portable folds down to a height of just 12 inches when the front storage bag is removed. At this height, you will be able to store the unit in tight spaces, such as fitting it under a cruise ship bed when vacationing. Most importantly, you don't need to remove the seat during this process. Just collapse it, then collapse the tiller, and the folding process is complete. You can lay the scooter flat or stand it upright, depending on your storage needs. It weighs just 41 pounds without the battery, and there are multiple options for storage when traveling. You can lift the unit using handles on either side, or you can cantilever the scooter into a car trunk by placing the front end on the trunk opening and rolling it in. Another key feature of the GoGo Super Portable is recharging the unit with our exclusive Charge 360 technology. There's a magnetic charging port on the tiller and battery box, and the charger can connect in any direction. It requires minimal dexterity to connect, as the charger will snap into place. No need to line up any pins. A green light will illuminate to indicate a successful connection. It's that easy. Other features of the GoGo Super Portable: it has a 300-pound weight capacity, rides up to 4.5 miles per hour, has a battery range of 10 miles at 220 pounds, and has optional armrests available. Lightweight, foldable, portable, and tested to the highest standards, the GoGo Super Portable is another premium travel mobility option in the GoGo scooter lineup. Click the link in the description to learn more at pridemobility.com.